In today's video, I'm going to show you the 4 essential steps for successful Kindle Direct Publishing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your publishing game, these steps will guide you towards publishing success. So grab a pen and get ready to take some notes. Step 1. Research. Thorough research is crucial for successful Kindle Direct Publishing. Start by identifying profitable niches and analysing market trends. Utilise tools like KD Spy, BookBolt, Publisher Rocket and BookBeam to uncover potential book ideas, analyse competition and validate your niche. Dive deep into reader preferences and understand what they are looking for in your genre. This research will help you position your book effectively and increase its chances of success. Step 2. Create. Once you've done your research, it's time to unleash your creativity and start creating your masterpiece. Develop a solid outline for your book, ensuring a solid flow of ideas. For novels, write engaging and compelling content that captivates your readers from start to finish. Pay attention to grammar, spelling, and overall writing quality. Consider hiring a professional editor to polish your work and make it shine. For low-content books, consider using the templates and tools in BookBolt and grab your design ideas from Canva. Step 3. Publish. The publishing process involves formatting your manuscript, designing an eye-catching cover, and optimising your book description and metadata. Ensure that your book is properly formatted for KDP. Create a visually appealing cover that grabs attention and accurately represents your book's content. Craft a compelling book description that entices readers to click and learn more. Optimise your metadata, including keywords and categories, to improve discoverability. Most importantly, make sure you're complying with all the KDP terms and conditions and policies. Step 4. Repeat. Publishing a single book is great, but to build a successful publishing career, you need to repeat the process. Continuously research new niches and book ideas to expand your catalogue. Analyse the performance of your published books, gather reader feedback, and apply those insights to your future publications. Keep refining your writing skills, experimenting with different marketing strategies, and staying up to date with industry trends. The more you repeat the process, the better you become at Kindle Direct Publishing. So just keep the 4 steps going. Research, create, publish, and repeat. Remember, each step requires time, effort, and dedication. Stay consistent, learn from your experiences, and adapt your approach as needed. Best of luck with your Kindle Direct Publishing journey. Please share your experiences in the comments below, as this helps me provide the content you're looking for. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wombat Coaching for more content like this. I'll see you again in the next video.